Today we're going to change the line on a Stihl Autocut 40-2. First of all, you need to remove the top of the head. To do this, locate the slit in the casing and put pressure on it to release that side. Then do the same for the other side. Once this is done, you can remove the inner workings and completely remove the line. To fit the line, locate the two holes within the body of the head. Make a hook with the line so it can hold when placed in the hole. Once it's secure, start wrapping the line around the body. When complete, tuck the line into the side of the body to stop it from unravelling. Now you need to complete the same for the second piece of line which sits directly above. Once it's completely wrapped round, tuck the line to stop it from unravelling. Now seat the body within the base of the head. Locate each line in the designated position on the side of the head. Once seated, make sure the spring is located correctly by making sure it bounces back and the lines aren't moving. Place the top of the head back on. Make sure the clips on each side are located correctly. You can check the line is in working order by pushing the button down and pulling on the strings. That's how you change the line on a Stihl 40-2. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.